Okay, so we've talked about the positional way of passing arguments. Now we're going to talk about the keyword arguments. So this differs from the positional arguments, right? In our print function, there are two keyword arguments that you should take note of. There's the end and there's the sep. The end and there's the sep. So let's take end. End. Right? There are specific rules that you must know about the end. So the end, you must know to use the end. Sorry, my mistake. So to use a keyword argument, you should take note of that. There's one, an equal symbol, right? Two, there's the keyword itself that you are going to use, in this case the end, right? And three, there's the value of the argument. So there's the end, right? So three things you're taking off. So you're going to use the equal symbol. To use this end, you have to take off the equal symbol, the keyword itself, which is the end, and there's the value of the argument. Another thing you should take note of when using keyword arguments, right? That the keyword arguments will always be the last. It will always be the last in whenever you're putting your arguments in your function. In this case, the print function, the end is going to be the last argument in the print function. Keep that in mind, because me too, when I was learning, I made the same mistake of putting the keywords first, and I was thinking, oh, what's going on? There's a lot of errors, but it happens. But just take note that whenever you're using the keyword argument, right? If you're using positional arguments and keyword arguments at the same time, so you first put your positional arguments, then at the end of your of when you're putting your arguments, you put the keyword arguments. In this case, the end.